in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to create a multiple choice question on a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is over on the right panel, select the Add a Question button. It's within a little circle and there's a plus sign in it. Go ahead and select that, and then you can input your question right here. And then once you're done, there should be a drop-down that says multiple choice. Just click on that. Make sure you select multiple choice here. Input all of your options and then the available options of what you want to be a potential answer. You can also add images alongside of those questions. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.